I just realized it is raining outside. I didn't realize it was raining. And the girls are out there. Oh, they're going to be a mess, aren't they? Are they going to be a mess? Oh, you girls are a mess. Oh my goodness. Hi, girls. I don't have time to clean you before I leave this morning. I guess you guys are going in the kitchen, huh? And I forgot to get the rug up. In case you were wondering, they have a dry place. Just because it's raining doesn't mean they have to be outside. I have my work cut out for me when I get home.